I want to express my appreciation and satisfaction in the kind of arrangement that IEBC has made. The polling stations almost each and everywhere in the county were opened in good time at the 6. And I can see in a number of polling stations, people have turned out in right numbers to vote for leaders of their choice. I am Ezekiel Machogu'S, the Gubernatorial candidate. As you can see, I've already cast my vote here in Machogu'S Primary School, and everything is going on well. The only small hitch that we had was that the patches were not issued in good time in quite a number of areas for our agents, and that has caused a little bit of a problem. And we are asking the presiding officers plus the returning officers that as long as one has a letter of accreditation from the party UDA, he should be allowed to serve as an agent, because if we are denied that particular opportunity for our agents to serve, then we are not sure the exercise can be compromised at one stage or another. So that is the request we are putting forward, because it was not a mistake of our own making that the patches were not issued in good time. So the agents all over the county should be allowed in so that they are able to exercise and do the assignment which they are supposed to do. Second is that in a number of areas we have had no violence at all, apart from some isolated incidents where I've seen violence, I think somewhere in South Mogirango and Bonchari, and I want to condemn that, because what we are supposed to do today, the 9th, is for the people to exercise their democratic constitutional right of voting freely without anybody applying force or undue influence. Even I'm also informed that there are cases of rampant bribery which has been witnessed in certain areas, and we would like to appeal to the security personnel and each and every person that anybody doing this today is an irregularity, is against the law. He should be arrested and arraigned in court tomorrow. So those who are practicing this should be able to realize and know that bribery at this particular stage is totally not allowed, is illegal, is against the law, because candidates or any other person is not supposed to apply undue influence on the voter. The voter is supposed to be left on his own, so that he can be able to use his mind to vote for whoever he wants to vote for. Otherwise, so far so good. The exercise is going on well, and we hope that the entire day it will go on well until we come to the end of the exercise in the evening, so that counting will be able to commence.